Hi, I would like to share with you how to set up a WhatsApp business and how to use a WhatsApp business to follow up your leads. If you use a WhatsApp personal, you have to switch it to WhatsApp business. So if let's say you want to switch it to WhatsApp business, the logo is B. Alright, so if let's say you want to download the WhatsApp business, if let's say you're using the Android, you have to go to Play Store. If you're using the iPhone, then you have to go to App Store. Okay, when you come back to here, you have to search WhatsApp Business. Okay, so this is a WhatsApp Business apps. You are wondering, are you using a WhatsApp Business or personal? The logo is different. If let's say you're using a WhatsApp, you see the logo is actually the phone. Okay, this is a WhatsApp personal. But if you want to switch it to WhatsApp Business, the logo is B. After you download it, you install it, you will see the apps is here. You can only use WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Personal. You cannot use both together. And now I'm showing you how to actually doing a quick reply. So when you come into your WhatsApp Business chat room, you can see on your top right corner, there's a 3 dots. You can click into the 3 dots. You go to Business Tools. After you go to the Business Tools, there are actually few functions that's very useful, such as like business profile. If you're running any business, it will be good that you fill up your business profile. Quick replies is allow you to just automatic to reply in the bulk messages. Okay, so when you click into the quick reply, when I follow up my leads, right, I have been writing all the reply messages in my quick replies chat room. So how are you going to set up all these conversations? The benefits of this is to prevent that you are miscommunications with your leads, and you can actually follow up with your leads in a very quick manner. So first of all, you just need to click the plus button here, like this. You can type in your message. Example like, thanks for register the webinar. Okay, I'm just giving you some example. Thanks for register the webinar. Please choose the date that you would like to attend. Then after that, this is a shortcut. Okay, shortcut means that it's like a labeling. Okay, labeling. You can say that this is the first message. First message. Okay, after that, you can click save. Other than wording, you can actually put in the photo as well, pictures, okay, in different languages. Then how are you going to use this quick reply? Okay, let me demonstrate for you. Example, this is the chat room of your leads. Okay, what you need to do is you just have to type in the slash. Okay, you can see all the quick replies auto messages will be appeared at here. So you just need to go and search for the just now the labeling first message. Remember just now I typed first message, so I click, then I send. So if let's say now you want to follow up your leads, you can actually immediately send out all the messages, the relevant messages in one shot in a quick reply. And then your leads will get all the information at one go. So this is the benefits of the WhatsApp business. Other than this, you can see when you go back to the business tool, here is another catalogs. Okay, catalog is allowed you when other people come to your chat room, come to your WhatsApp, they can go to your catalog and then they can see what kind of products or services that you are promoting with the description and with the link and also with the prices. So how are you going to include the catalog? You just need to click on the plus button. So you can put in the images, your item, and also your prices. When you click in the more field, you can put in your descriptions, the link as well, and put in the item code. It's exactly like your e-commerce store. So other people, when they come to your WhatsApp, they can immediately know what you are promoting already. So this is how it looks like. So this is the samples and the demo for the business profile, catalog, and also the quick reply. Alright, if let's say you found that this is a very useful, or you have any comments that you want to mention to me, you are feel free to actually leave your comments at the comment sections. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell. Okay, see you in the next video clip. Bye bye.